umaga guys, ang dilim pa. See? Madilim. It's 7:01 ng umaga. I started 7:30. Pero, yeah, I actually like this shift. Maaga, si Dan ayaw niya. Kasi ang aga niya nagigising, ang tagal niya natutulog. Hindi ko alam kung paano niya na yan nagagawa. Yung sobrang tagal niya natutulog, tapos maaga siya nagigising sa umaga. Kasi hindi ko talaga kaya na wala akong tulog guys, na pumupunta sa trabaho, na para kang patay pag wala kang tulog. Hindi ko talaga kaya kapag walang tulog na maayos. So yeah, kapag maaga yung ano ko, pasok ko, like ganito, ito yung pinakamaaga sa amin, 7:30. Maaga talaga ako natutulog sa gabi. Like, before 10, natutulog na ako. I do my best before 10. Sometimes nga, wala pang 9, nasa bed na ako eh. Casual day today, so I'm just wearing this. Wala akong coat, wala. So, ito lang. Kasi siguro mga less than a minute lang ako sa labas. Galing sa sasakyan, lakad pa loob. Tapos sa loob, okay na, may heater na. Siguro sa loob, maiinitan ako. Pero ito yung suot ko. And then, just black jeggings and then my Converse. And ito yung bag na gamit ko guys kasi wala na akong time magpalit ng bag. Dami pang laman nito. Yung baon ko is yung take away namin kagabi, yung sweet and sour pork. Tapos mayang gabi punta kami kinalay. Yeah. So galing work, diretso kami sa bahay, uwi sandali lang para magbihis. And then yeah, actually hindi ko na kailangan kailangan namin kunin yung mga dadalhin namin. On the way na din naman, so okay lang. Ginamit ko yung Vice Good Vibes ni Vice Ganda, yung matte lipstick, shade Ka Vogue. And ginamit ko yung Sep Beauty na guys, na lip sheer underneath. So, tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari sa kanya. Kasi I did mention on my review na gagamitin ko siya with a different lipstick and see kung ano yung magiging resulta niya. So, ganyan yung kulay niya. I'm not sure if you guys can tell. The lighting is a bit off because madilim pa masyado. Yeah. Look at my lips. You like it?
It's okay.
It's like a burgundy shade. I like. Yung buhok ko, kinulot ko kasi hindi ko siya binasa. And ang ganda ng pangkulot ko guys, ang dali lang. Nagising ako siguro mga 6:05 ng umaga. And then naligo, hindi ko binasa yung buhok. And may time pa ako magkulot. Bongga talaga yung pangkulot ko. Guys, ganito na yung itsura ng lipstick. So I let it sit for like siguro mga 3-4 minutes. Tapos inano ko siya, kinis ko yung tissue guys. And ganito na siya. Parang wala na siyang transfer. So tingnan natin kung magtatagal talaga siya guys with the Sep Beauty na lip sheer. Kasi yun yung goal ko, kung malaman kung nag-work siya sa ibang lipstick din. Anyway, malapit na kami guys. So, yeah. Back to reality. See you guys later pagkatapos ng work. Bye guys. Hello people! It is now 4:22 ng hapon. Kaka-pick up na sa akin ni Dan. Pick up girl. Am I a pick up girl?
You're annoying.
Do you know what a pick up girl is?
Okay.
Yeah. Guys, punta kami Vietnamese coffee. I'm so excited. We had a long week. Sobra guys. Hindi madali yung 7:30 araw-araw 5 days. Especially ito kasi hindi naman siya sanay sa 7:30. Ako okay lang sa akin eh. So he said, I need something like a pick me up. So I was like, coffee! Coffee vibe! Vietnamese coffee. So we will get Vietnamese coffee from the Saigon Cafe. Actually, nag-order kami ng takeaway dito I think last week, and their pad thai is good. And I ordered, what did I get? Beb Pho. Yeah, I ordered that last week as well. And I saw that they had Vietnamese coffee, but I didn't buy any kasi gabi na yun. And hindi ako makakatulog guys. So, ngayon bili kami ng Vietnamese coffee. Energy babe. The weather is really good babe.
It's a nice day.
Yeah, it's a nice day today guys. Hindi siya malamig.
I'm gonna pay that over the weekend, babe. Right?
I know! Pay it already! Lagi ko sinasabi sa'yo na bayaran mo.
Over the weekend.
Over the weekend? Do you want me to pay it now?
No, we'll pay that over the weekend.
Did I tell you guys about this?
You did.
Did I?
You did.
I told them about this.
You did.
Okay. I don't remember editing a vlog with me telling them about this. Maybe I haven't edited the vlog yet.
You haven't.
Pero, guys, sabi ko sa kanya, bayaran na. Hindi pa rin binabayaran. Kailan ba ito ma-expire? Kailan? When?
Tuesday.
Ikaw, I don't understand. Bakit hinihintay talaga?
Tuesday. It's Juice Tuesday.
Yeah, but I don't get it. Why do you wait for the expiration date? Why
Because
do
they
you
have
wait
until
for-
Tuesday.
Oh, gosh.
You get a discount paying your fines on time, babe. Tuesday.
Exactly right. You don't get a discount paying it late
So
either.
why give him the money straight away?
Why not? If you're gonna give them the money anyway.
Better off in our bank account for those few extra weeks.
Nah, it's not gonna do anything good in the bank account.
It does.
I don't get it. I don't understand you. You gotta pay right away. It's the same amount of money. It's the same loss.
I'm in charge of the bills.
Not all the bills. I'm in charge of one bill and we're always like right on time. Sometimes advance. Internet namin. Dito kami sa loob guys ng Saigon Cafe. Doon si ate. Ginagawa niya yung coffee namin. Maya-maya punta kami kina Lyra. So pagdating ng bahay, mag-ano lang kami bihis. Tapos punta kami kina Lyra. Ang ganda ng weather today. Grabe, yung ganda. Diyan yung mga lista ng ano lang. I think bago to. This is a new place, is it? New restaurant? Yeah, bago siya guys. Oh guys, yung lipstick pala. Tingnan nyo, nag-tint siya. Ito yung Vice ha. See? In fairness naman sa kanya guys, natanggal siya nung nag-snack na ako. Kasi Kanika Gemi had me try her food, her lunch. And her lunch was my last break. So yeah, dun na siya parang nag-fade guys, yung ito. Pero yeah, so far okay ha. In fairness sa lip sheer, maganda. Guys, tingnan nyo to. Maganda to. Bagay to kay Kat. Ito yung mga gusto kong isuot para sa akin. Kaya lang hindi kasya sa akin to eh. Kasi mahaba. Ano siya guys? Para siyang jumpsuit na mahaba. Kasya to kay Kat. Kasi matangkad yung babaeng yun. Ganda ng kulay. Yeah, kasya to sa kanya. Bigay ko to sa kanya. And then, kay Lyra, bigay natin to kay Lai. Kasya to kay Lai. Kasi malaking tutoy nun eh. Jumpsuit din siya, guys. Ganyan siya. Kasya to kay Lai. Maganda din to. Kaya lang, hindi kasya sa akin. So, yan. And then, meron pang iba dito. Ito, ano siya, jumper na kasya sa kanila to. Okay. Lagay ko lang to dito, guys. Babe, can you give me a bag, please? Dito na kami, guys. Dito na naman kami. Machi-machi tayo there, pink.
Ay, oo nga no. Mangga, guys.
Tingnan nyo tong babaeng to. Tingnan nyo to. Bumili ng mangustin. Sa ano, guys, Parafield na ano. Puntahan sana namin kahapon. Dahil kaya lang close na. Uy, after namin sa Toys R Us.
Oo nga.
Oo. Kasi $20 lang, guys. Sa
Alam
Parafield.
niyo, nakalimutan ko na yung lasa niyan. So sabi ko, bili kaya ako. Tapos pupunta ka naman. Sabi ko, pag hindi ko gusto, at least kakain mo.
Nagustuhan mo?
Yeah, masarap naman. Pero mas gusto ko yung mangga.
I already said it.
Sige, kainin kayo mo yan. Akin yung pinakamalaki na. Boy. Ilan yung laman niya, Day?
Isa lang yung dalawa yata yung nakain.
Dalawa lang? Mas marami yung sa sa Central Market.
Mas marami. Dalawa yung nakain ko. Isa kay Tony, isa sa akin.
Damihan mo eh. Maganda to pang ano, di ba? Maganda to sa anong...
Healthy.
Mas
Mas
healthy
healthy.
to. Kaya lang ang mahal. Babe! That is girl.
Are they good?
Really good. Yeah.
They're probably the same as people buy at the market. They're probably getting it from the same person.
She said they finished 2. So it's not much, really. From the market, it's more than that, right?
That's 10. That's 10.
Oh, 10?
Yeah.
You counted?
Yeah.
There were 10?
That was 10.
Oh, 10 then.
Oh,
I bet
nice.
Same lang pala.
There's be one person that brings it
2,
in
4,
and he
6,
sells them off to
7.
the Asian groceries.
Okay, yeah.
That will be.
Yeah, it's a lot cheaper in Fairfield than...
$5
Yeah,
cheaper.
no,
Ah, eh.
We'll get some next time.
Yeah, I know. We went there.
Just take some
It
of
wasn't
those
there.
outside one.
The last time we were there, wala guy. Pahingi nga ako ng ano mo. Ano yung sauce mo? Meron siyang mangga, guys.
Manghang, langgaw, day.
Ano langgaw?
Suka.
Suka?
Kasi hindi, matamis kasi siya, day.
Okay, try ko ito.
Well, I was expecting something. I didn't know whether it was going to be good.
Ngayon lang ako suka sa mangga.
Kasi nga matamis.
I can't taste
Normal
it.
ba to? Hindi normal. Ikaw lang to?
Siguro ako lang
It
trip
tastes
ko.
good, but they're like massive burgers from us.
Yung suka mas, maanghang yan ah.
Okay lang.
Ano yun?
Gusto ko lang nga.
Pinakurat.
Suka. Masarap yung mangga nga. Masarap nga tayo.
I-prank mo
Matamis.
si Dari Jari, maasim.
Ito sa matapang. Pan, prank yun. Babe,
Not really. This is one of the little ones here.
babe, mango.
Huwag naman yung may suka.
Yeah,
Manga.
that's nice. That
Wait.
I've had this before.
green mango is
Yeah.
good.
Do you think it's sour or you remember it being sour?
It's not sour.
No, it's not that sour. I don't think
Okay.
Baby,
Waling. Oo nga eh.
It's not that sour.
It's sweet, right?
a little bit sweet.
Wala.
Yeah.
Ano yung fail yung prank natin? yung isa din kasi, and it's not sour.
Kasi tirinay niya kasi ito yung sinabi ko kasi maasim.
so 40%.
No,
But that's just
masarap.
like a new
Sa ano yan? Sa Fairfield din?
Sinasawsaw ko sa suka kasi gusto ko yung maasim. Wala.
Di ba sinasawsaw yan sa bagoong?
Bagoong.
Yummers! Magkano yan?
Gonna start drinking soon.
$15 a kilo, dahil.
Ay, okay lang. $15. Mahal pa rin kung i-compare sa Pilipinas. Anong klaseng mangga ba yan? Hindi yan Philippines, no? Hindi na. Mukha siyang Carabao, pero hindi siya Carabao kasi ang tamis. Di ba, Day?
Ano, tas yung buto niya is parang yang na klase ng mangga. Kasi diba, wala sa
May specific pangalan siya?
sweet, maybe.
Sabi sweet mango? Okay.
At yun lang, kasi dalawa meron dun din.
Guys, nagluto pala si Lyra ng, ano to, Lai? Kansi? Kansi ba to, Lai? Yan, guys. Mars! Yum, ang bango, guys.
Normally, wala yung langka.
Ay, nilagyan mo na lang ka? Ay. At saka, nag-ano siya ng, ano?
Competition nga.
Oo nga, yung competition nga nila ni Tony daw. Panoorin niyo yung vlog niya kung anong ganap nila dun. Meron pa isa dun kay Tony yun. Ito yung sa kanya. Guys, may parating na bata.
Kasi nahihirapan si Mami ka.
May parating na bata. Tinatago ang mga pula. Ang cute.
You need the rubber ones.
Yeah, well,
Oh, they do have that.
The bigger ones, not the little ones, because they can choke on that.
Meron sila nung ano, dye egg.
You know what it'll be time? It'll be this against the wall.
Charles, sporty look. Sporty look. Hello, Char. Dalawa na yung cake mo, ah.
Kulang kasi isa eh.
Sarap kasi.
oh, oh,
Oh.
straight to dessert then.
Guys, luto na yung kansi. Ayun, siniserve na ni Madam yung ating kansi. Dito na pala siya. Hello. Ay, na-vlog na pala kita. Tapos na pala. Ito yung dala niya, guys. Naging mas makasalanan. Mas marami ng sprinkles na yun.
Dalawa na pati.
Oh, dalawa na, ha? Ano to? Yung sponge cake na masarap. Sarap to. Kansi. First time natin kakain ito, guys. Ano nga itong kain? Ilonggo? Ilonggo na pagkain. Yummers! Ano yun natin, Di? Rice. And tingnan nyo naman yan. Yes! Ang crispy. Oo, kasi hindi naman sila kumakain ng kansi, so pwede lang kami na mauna, guys. Kasi I'm hungry. Tsaka si Baby V, hungry na rin siya. Baby V, dila! Dila? Yes! Good girl! Dila? Beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes? Aww. Cute. Yummers. Kansi. Crispy pata ni ano lang. Sarap. Thank you, Doy. Hindi pa tapos yun sa kanya?
Hindi kasi yung sa kanya kanda yun ni crispy.
Okay lang naman. Di ba sa flavor naman, Char? Sabi ni Tony matatalo siya kasi Pilipino yung mga judges. Ano na to? Wala na tayong ma-judge. Wala pa yung sa kanya. Try natin tong kansi, guys. Try natin tong kansi. Yummers, Day?
Still working.
Ay, sarap.
That's not really.
Yung ano kansi?
It's really awkward.
Para talaga sa ano dahil, no? Para sa sinigang na bulalo na...
Ano to, Day?
Langka.
We go up behind her and just play with the ponytail.
Para sa sinigang na nilagay.
It's only funny, but it's just they find it annoying.
My 24's nearly done.
How long, guys?
Be ready tomorrow night.
Yeah.
Sarap pala nito, guys.
Who's this on?
Mabigat na sa user. Babe? Can you get a small plate?
No.
Sige na ba? Very
I was thinking that as well. I was looking around. I'm like, I hope they got it.
Sige na. Small plate, babe. And put some
What
for
have you
the
done with the big
boys.
knife, John?
This one.
They might be taking some.
Because they don't know who's...
What have you
who's
done with the
who.
big knife?
Bigger knife? I don't know.
In fairness, ang sarap nito.
Can see?
Yeah.
Put some for the boys, like, because they don't know who's is who. The girls will be very honest.
I know who they'll be.
Sige, eat. Kansi. Ano ba yan? Ayun, hala. Uy, kutsara kasi. Talagang mga OC. Uy, hala. Ano na, babe? Yung totoo. Kailan pa tayo makakatikim nito? Ano na?
Tomorrow, done.
Isn't it really good?
It's good.
Yeah, yummers, babe. Yun lang yung sasabihin mo? That's it? It's not a review daw. Ito yung kay Tony, guys. Yung competition niya. Competition niya. Yan yung kay Tony. Try
The
natin.
plate is there, oh, the big plate. Oh, here, babe. There's plate here.
The big
Oh, yeah.
Yung in fairness, malambot yung ano. Yung
Meat niya.
malambot.
Babe, yung totoo, did you put my crackling here? Did you make...
Ito sa'yo, Lai.
With money.
Ganda to sa'yo. Kasi yun sa'yo, Lloyd.
I'm a
I
bit,
don't know.
for something that's so fundamental, so I'm not sure that a 50-50 vote.
Parang si Manay nito.
Christmas na
See,
dyan.
2/3 is usually,
Ay,
real constitution-changing things that are decided, not 50-50.
You know what's going to happen? It's going to be a soft separation. I mean, by that is,
Ito, hindi ko
I
alam
don't think
to.
they're going to leave the EU as such. I think they should.
No,
I think there's. They're going
Hindi
to,
ko ba
like,
ito
I can
nagamit?
tell they don't want it to happen. The powers that be, they're going to stop this. What they're going to do is, one of the major reasons why it came to
Summer na
play was
summer,
immigration. They wanted to
Guys,
control the border.
supportive talaga si Lodi sa amin. Ubat-ubat. Walang likod.
So
Maganda
it's
yun.
going to
Hindi
be
lang po siya sa
compromised on stage,
Itaas.
but it's going to, eventually it's going to be,
And it's free.
okay, we're going to keep some of this stuff, but we'll change some of that, and so,
Kasya ba ito sa'yo, Lloyd?
Nasa yung bit-bit na namin
Eh, kasi ang dami na sa bahay. Wala naman.
As
Hindi
an
naman
all-out
kasya sa
thing, I
amin.
don't think
it will change,
I
though.
don't
It won't stay as it is, but it will change.
it was such a good move. Italy,
Kasya ba yun sa'yo?
yeah, Portugal.
The Italian economy was way stronger.
Sige, go.
Ayaw, meron na
Yeah,
isa.
Euro.
Yeah, without the euro. They were flying
Dahil sa
around it,
kararang pa kasi.
and the country was better off because their problem is now. Again, the same thing is England's got they've got like immigrants going there. Italy's got the same problem with North Africa coming there as well. So that's why the Italians don't like, and their economy is.
Guys,
Barak!
galing-galing.
And then
Galing-galing talaga, Lodi,
you got
guys.
the point, one of the Europeans.
Guys, Christmas. Oo nga, early Christmas.
Pasko. Pasko na pala.
Ganun to plastic pa na yan.
It's kind of funny now when you're thinking.
Magmumotor. Oo nga.
It was,
Oo. Sa ano yan? Taliber. Taliber. Shout out Taliber. Tsaka,
Thank you, Taliber.
tsaka Zaful.
Yeah.
Zapo. Zapo.
what I put into the
Yeah.
Tana naman. Baon na naman. Uy, nagugas kami. Nandun na. Nagugas kami na pinggan. Inayos namin yung table.
Meron din ako sabaw.
Sabihin mo sa kanila na ayaw mo na yan. Kaya mo binigay sa amin.
Sabihin, hindi, guys. Gutom ka.
Baka sabihin, patay gutom. Uy, bata. Hey. Dila. Dila, baba. Dila. Kahit saan. Thank you, Day. Thank you.
Ito din yung sa akin. Lagay ko din sa baunan. Char.
Jammers.
Pina din tayo.
Oh, meron ka. Oh. Sharing kami, guys. Huwag kayo. Kasi matatapon din nila yan. Di ba, Kat? Oo. Ibabaon nyo na lang bukas. May work siya bukas. Busy siyang tao.
Pag hindi ko yan, huwag nga kayo.
Huwag kayong ganyan.
Pinadala ilan? 1 week ko kakainin yan?
Oh, 'di ba? Huwag ka magalit, Lai.
Patas kami, oh.
Thank you, Lai.
No worries, guys. Oo, mapuli na kami, oy.
Uwi ka na. Nagbisaya ka pa dun, ah.
Uli. Uli na. Uli na.
Yan yung ano, lemongrass. Yummers. Meron pa tayo natirang cake dito.
Oo nga.
Hi guys! Bahay na kami guys. It's been a long day. Kailangan ko mag-edit ng isang video kahit isa lang para meron akong video bukas. And yun na. Mag-skincare lang ako. Nag-ano lang ako kanina guys. Concealer lang. So dito, yung Wet n Wild na nakalimutan ko siya. Gagamitin ko siya ulit bukas. Tapos papakita ko sa inyo basta Wet n Wild na concealer. And then nag-powder lang ako. Yung ginamit ko na powder is yung pangmalakasan ko na powder yung Becca. And yeah, brows. And walang retouch. Wala. Hindi ako nag-retouch. Kasi wala na akong time mag-retouch. Pero butin lang yung mga makeup na ginagamit ko. Mga asahan ba? Na, alam mo yun. Alam ko na. Kahit hindi ako mag-retouch, okay lang siya. Nandun lang siya. Yung sa lips ko, nandito pa din yung tint. Ito yung ginamit ko kanina, yung Vice. Tapos tinanggal ko siya actually kasi yung inner corner, parang nagtitint na siya. Tapos yung outer corner na lang yung natira. So tinanggal ko siya and meron pa rin siyang konting tint na natira. I used it with the lip sheer. Yung maganda guys. I'm not sure kung meron pa rin free shipping ngayon sa sa Caris ko na shop. Ito na yung mga mask natin guys. Galing dun sa likod. Yung pinakamarami yung kunan natin. Ano yung pinakamarami? Ito marami pa to. Yan. Lebaton. Okay. Ikaw yung gagamitin ko. Lebaton Aqua Hydrating Essence Mask. Ang sakit na naman ito sa mukha. Sasampalin na naman tayo. Sasampalin na naman tayo ng essence. Oh my gosh, ang lamig. Okay. Nood kami ng uwi bukas, makikita na naman kami ni Laya at saka ni Tony. Si Kat itatry niya. May baby na kasi. Okay, hindi muna natin to ilalotion kasi ang lamig-lamig. Palit tayo ng pantulog. Okay, yun na yung vlog guys. Super thank you guys for watching. Please like this video kung na-enjoy nyo yung vlog. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye guys. Good night.